Today we're making tacos. Tacos can mean a lot of different things to a lot of different people. So to clarify, we're making asada tacos. I'm making them street taco size, which means the tortilla is gonna be maybe like that big. I'm gonna make the tortillas from scratch, so I'll show you how to do that. We've done that before on this channel already, so I'll link a couple things below also, but I'll briefly show you how to make the corn tortilla. And then we're also gonna make some asada meat to have in our tacos. And I'm gonna show you how I make a super spicy taco topping. Something I learned from my husband. He made it up. He gets credit for it, but it's delicious. So we're gonna make that too. Let's go. We'll start with this special spicy topping, which consists of 9 to 10 habanero peppers, a bundle of radishes, usually around 9 or 10 also, half of a red onion, and 1 cucumber. What we're going to be doing here is curing these veggies in salt and lime juice, so slice them fine and thin as best you can. Then add the lime juice enough so that there's a small puddle at the bottom of the container you're storing it in. I like to use a wide flat container so that the veggies spread out and cure evenly. If you use a tall jar like a mason jar, the veggies at the top won't be exposed to the juice and won't soak up all of the spicy, limey goodness. Once the lime is added, give it a generous sprinkle of salt and mix well. Making this a bit ahead of time and letting it rest in the fridge overnight is ideal for maximum flavor, but you can also eat fresh if you like. Though I'd caution you, it is very spicy. This is a great mixture to keep in the fridge for a week or so. Put it on burritos, in eggs, in quesadillas, on hot dogs, literally everything and anything you want to add a spice and acidity to. If habaneros are a little too intense for you, replace them with jalapenos and it'll be just as good, but a little more mild of a spice. To prep the meat, I'll be using thinly sliced asada beef and simply salting it the morning I intend to make the tacos for dinner. That's it. Nothing fancy needed here. Good old salt will tenderize our meat for us. Now for the tortillas. As I mentioned, we've made these before on this channel, so I'll leave a link in the description and go through this fairly quickly. Corn tortillas are extremely easy. Just mix 1.5 cups of masa with 1.25 cup warm water until the masa is hydrated but not sticky. You're going for a Play-Doh type texture here. Then roll into balls about the size of your palm for street tacos in this case, and press with a tortilla press or the bottom of a skillet, a pie plate, or other circular flat dish. I usually press mine as I cook them, but this time I pressed them all and separated them with wax paper so they wouldn't stick, because we're going to be cooking outside. When I cook outside at the barbecue, I like to cover a large sheet pan with foil and use it as a tray to carry my ingredients and cooking utensils. And then I cover it with the foil so that I can also throw the cooked food on there as it's coming off the grill, but it keeps the tray clean. It's worked out really well for me and been a helpful little tool. So as we get into this beautiful summery weather, I hope it helps you too. Now for the cooking. First, we're going to cook all the tortillas around 1 to 2 minutes, flipping halfway through. Once they're done, we'll cook the asada for around 2 to 3 minutes, flipping halfway through. Since this asada is sliced super thin, it cooks super quick. Cooking it on high heat for a short amount of time will cook it all the way through and add that brown bark that we're going for on the outside, but also prevent it from being overcooked and chewy. Back inside, we slice the meat into bite-sized pieces, place on a corn tortilla with a little of our spicy veggies and maybe some fresh cilantro. And that's it! Asada Street Tacos at home in less than 20 minutes. The best part is having leftover meat to add to breakfast burritos in the morning, or a quesadilla later, or, you know, more tacos. If you like this video or you learned something, give it a like. If you'd like to learn more, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!